Happy Throwback Thursday! This is Disney Animal Friends, Happy to Help, featuring Dumbo. Whee! Cried Timothy Mouse as Dumbo soared through a graceful loop-the-loop. That was great, Dumbo! Okay, I think we practiced enough this morning. Let's take a break. There's Dumbo. Hi, Dumbo. Great flying, Dumbo, called the circus folks as Dumbo and Timothy left the big top. Dumbo smiled shyly. You can have the rest of the morning off, Dumbo, Timothy said. Take a nap. We'll practice later. Dumbo thought that was a good idea. He was sleepy. Dumbo walked toward the circus train car where he lived with his mother and Timothy. On the way, he saw the balloon seller staring up at the sky. Oh no! My beautiful balloons! Cried the balloon seller. Dumbo looked up. A big bunch of balloons was drifting away. Dumbo flapped his ears and quickly flew up toward them. He grabbed the balloon strings with his trunk and brought them back to the ground. Thanks, Dumbo, said the balloon seller. You're the best. Just then, Dumbo saw a crowd gathering around a little girl. Wah! She wailed. I want my mommy. Gee, the poor kid is lost, said the strong man. I bet her mom is just as unhappy as she is, added the juggler. Dumbo thought maybe he could help, so he flew over and tapped the little girl on the shoulder with his trunk. Great idea, Dumbo. You should be able to spot the girl's mom from the air, said the strong man. Then he picked up the little girl and put her on Dumbo's back. Dumbo and the little girl flew up above the circus tents. There's my mommy! Mommy! The little girl called. Dumbo landed gently, and the little girl climbed off and ran to her mother. I was worried. Thank you, Dumbo, said the mother. Dumbo continued to his circus train car. He walked past the circus clowns who were practicing their pie-throwing act. What a mess, said the tall clown. I think it's time for a shower, said the short clown. Dumbo smiled at the gooey, sticky, cream-covered clowns. Then he had an idea. Dumbo flew to the water tank and filled his trunk. Then he flew back and sprayed water all over the clowns. Whoosh! The clowns laughed and danced as Dumbo rinsed away the sticky, gooey cream. Thanks, Dumbo! They cried as the sleepy little elephant headed home. When Dumbo finally arrived at his train car, he looked around. No balloons were drifting away, no children were crying, and no pie-throwing clowns needed rinsing. So Dumbo fluffed up a bed of straw and lay down. He fell asleep faster than you can say Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Just then, Timothy walked in. Are you still sleeping, Dumbo? He asked. Come on, wake up. It's time to practice. But Dumbo was too tired to even lift his head. Well, that's the last time I let you rest, exclaimed Timothy. From now on, it's just practice, practice, practice. Dumbo just smiled. Practice sounded fine with him. In fact, it sounded easy compared with his busy morning off. The end.